Today I'm over here with Zach, and we are at the spillway over here off the Trinity River. So we got some fresh shad. We've been throwing the net for a little bit. I didn't record all that. I figured we got enough videos of throwing the net, but we got a bucket full of shad. Got a couple poles out. Zach's got a couple out. And we're just gonna see what happens. We pulled up here and there were a bunch of gar hitting the surface over here, rolling, doing their thing. So we're gonna get some, we already got some lines in the water. Hopefully they'll get hit and y'all can see us catch a monster. Wish us luck. There it goes again. Well guys, it's been a minute or two. I'm about to set the hook on this sucker and see what's there.
It's about time to set the hook on. Oh, he's a freaking monster. Oh my gosh. Look at the bend on that pole, y'all. Oh my holy. Oh, oh, oh. Catfish, and we got it. Dude, he might be 60 pounds just because they weigh heavy, I think.
Oh, they're so thick, man.
They are, man.
I gotta get another scale back on my kit. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Well, guys, we fished here for a good 45 minutes to an hour, man. Had a couple little runs, no hookups. So we're gonna load up, grab some waters, and go find us another spot. Go find that monster. Y'all stay tuned. I think Zach's a little hot, guys. Alrighty, guys. We're here at the second spot. We got a nice little island here. Got a little fork over there. We got a nice pool on the other side of this island we're about to kayak over to. Got our shad, got our poles, got our slushies. We're gonna get to it. Wish us luck. We're gonna bring that monster. All right, guys, we're at another spot. I got two rods out right here, and Zach just got his, I don't know if y'all can see it, but his big old orange slip float right there. You got it in a good spot right there next to that tree. We're gonna see if it goes down. Guys, we just got hooked up to an old fish trap or something. I just got us unhooked. But look at this thing. I'm not sure what exactly it is, but it's full of clams and mussels. That's not good no more. Oops, I didn't mean to drop that. Should have got that up on the bank. Oh, guys, it is hot out here. I'm talking about the high today was 104. Feels like 113. Extreme heat advisory. Just another day over here in the summer of DFW. So we're not giving up. We're gonna give it about another hour. And then we are gonna call it a day though. And we'll get back at it tomorrow. See if we can get on that monster. See if we can feed this bird a shad. Let's see here. Nope. They didn't want. I scared the bird off with the shad. Well, guys, we hit about 4 or 5 different spots right here on this little stretch of the Trinity. Not one bite, not one run. I think Zach caught a turtle though, but
not a very good one.
Not the big old monster fish we were looking for. So we're gonna call it a day. Me and Nathan might get back out tonight and do a little bit of pond hopping, but we'll see. I'll let y'all know. Alrighty, guys, we're back here. at the Trinity River, day 2 of gar fishing. We got our heavy game poles loaded up. We got a bunch of bait in there, bunch of shad. We're about to get down to the water and set up and get on them fish. Y'all stay tuned, enjoy. Alrighty guys, we're hiking in. We got a nice little trail here. We probably got a good 15-minute walk, maybe about a mile or so. We'll see. It's been about a year since we've been here. So we're just gonna follow the trail. We gotta go up, I think, over 2 ridges and valleys before we make it to the cliff. But once we get there, man, last year we had some real good activity here. Some real good runs, real decent sized fish. So
Big runs.
we're gonna try to get back on it. We got our good setups, good bait. We're gonna try to hook up and land that monster. Like I said, day 2, Trinity fishing. Y'all enjoy. Alrighty guys, we're at the first incline, our first ridge. Guys, I got a car battery in my backpack, so I'm a little weighed down, but we're all right.
I got the floodlight.
So
and we got the bait, the poles, the cast net. We're real men trying to catch real fish.
That's not a mud dauber nest though. They look like it, but that's not the nest though. Y'all look at this huge hive. I'm not sure what kind of hornets these are, but
Could be killer bees, dude. I don't know.
they're big. You got a bunch of eggs in there.
That's why that lady was making that face earlier. Whoa, y'all, what kind of freaking hornets are those? All right, Allie, don't get too close.
I feel like I don't have a good picture yet.
This does not look like a honeybee.
Definitely not no honeybee.
Stay away from that.
Well, there we go, guys. There's another one over in there in that tree. So we're gonna back on out, look at our map, get to the fishing spot, go find us a monster. We've been walking for 2 hours. The sun's going down. I think we're lost. Oh man, I don't know what to do. Zach! Aaron!
Help! We're actually gonna get the cops on them.
All right, need to calm down.
Dude, we need to get through. I think we should go. Badass goal.
All right. Oh, I think the one I got for the house that you got bigger tusk than that.
Was it?
Mm-hmm.
Can we get it on camera?
Alrighty guys, we're following Zach here into the thicket. Just found a boar skull right there. Good old piggy. We're gonna keep on moving. Alright guys, we're dropping in down into the next valley.
Definitely going the right way now, buddy.
Alright. Whew.
Dude, if it's steep, if I'm slipping right here, imagine that other spot we were at.
We're almost there, guys. Going back up our second ridge. Literally. Oh, here's our trail. That should take us all the way. Just broke, so I tied it in a knot. Hopefully I can make that work until we get to our destination and back to the truck. So
It's gonna work for now.
Yes.
Be careful.
All right, let's guys, we made it. Good old Trinity River. We're gonna drop down right here, pass everything down, find us a nice good spot to set up, get on those fish. All right guys, I'm down here. Just took a nice little slide, but I'm all good. I got the poles. Zach's gonna send down the backpack with the battery that has completely fallen to crap. Come on. Let it go. Sure? Yep. Got it.
All right, he's got the car battery, everybody.
Woo! Here comes the bait.
I might have to come down with it, right?
Ready? Let me get
Some water's gonna come out.
Let me, whoa, why is my pocket open? What the? Hopefully all my stuff's still in there. Let me get up there. Ready? Good job. Got it. All right, well, let me get out the way.
I'm just gonna slide right down like the crazy guy. Oh, I'm sitting on a thorn.
Oh, freedom! Look at all this stuff, guys. These are little stickies.
Oh my god.
Zach just came down. Oh, there's our battery. Wow.
At least you didn't have to carry it.
Oh. We made it.
Oh.
Well, now guys, we are gonna jump in the water, cool off.
I was gonna say, I'm getting right in.
We're gonna set up and do some fishing. 3 feet.
Right? Oh.
Well guys, we made it to the spot. We got all our stuff up here. Right over here's our big old hole where there's been known to pull out monster gar, monster flatheads. You can see back over here, probably not over here on the camera, but there's a lot of turbulence in the water. That's where it gets real shallow. So it's all real shallow through here and then has a big old drop off. So them big old fish will hang out over here and we're gonna try to catch us one.
Nobody knows about this spot, y'all. This is the top secret Trinity spot. If you want to know, all you gotta do is like the video and shoot us a comment and a message, and we'll tell you.
That's what happened to the backpack. Bow straps broke off, the handle broke off. We're gonna need a new backpack, but at least it is working for today, so that's all that matters. Now let's get on a fish. All right, guys, we got our first run. I'm not sure what we got here, guys. Oh, absolutely nothing. Oh, we got a gar. We got ourselves a gar. He's no monster, but he's 3 foot. He's a start.
He's just something.
Target species is acquired though, guys.
Oh, it's a longnose. It's a good one too, man. Can't see very well over here.
All right, we need to move the light closer.
I think we just need to take them over there where you can get them. Nice one, Alex.
Thank you, sir.
Fish.
That's a target species acquired and a fish. Tangled up in this one now. That's pretty typical.
That happened. There you go, Alex. You haven't got one reeled in for us, y'all. This trip wasn't a complete waste. Yeah. I still think we're going to catch a monster. Guess we just have to get them in. Did you swallow it?
I can't tell. Looks like it. I don't see a hook. Oh, I think I do see it in his mouth. Well, guys, there he is. There's our fish. Zach's grabbing the pliers and we're going to unhook this bad boy, but there we go, man. One nice fighting, healthy fish. Hey guys, we're going to try to do this real gentle to this buck guy, but he's not going to like it when I start trying to squirm him around.
He'll be okay. Grab him by the back of the head. There you go. You can't go nowhere. He's just biting down, right?
That's it.
He's not even hooked? He doesn't want to let go of that bait?
Let go, buddy. Come on. There we go, guys. One unhooked gar.
That's what you call a lot of bugs too.
Zach, you'll get my picture, buddy, for my thumbnail? Just in case we don't get a bigger one. Chitty chitty bang bang.
Wow. Alright, hold it sideways. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
We got that one.
Oh, chitty chitty bang bang.
Oh, wait, and that one.
That'll work. Let's get this guy back in the water.
Alright, give him that.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Y'all, he took off.
He started thrashing as soon as I tried to go in, so he got that good old Zachary torpedo.
Okay.
There we go, guys. We got another run. I'm gonna let him take it. Bring y'all back in a couple minutes. See what we can do. Fish. That got him a nice gar here.
This was kind of a goofy catch, y'all.
He said he bit an empty hook.
But I was just reeling it in, dude. Look, it looks like it got him on the outside of the mouth.
And there we go, unhooked. There he goes, in the water. All right, guys, we got a run going. We're not gonna play with this joker. We're just gonna set it on it.
See if we got him or not. Make sure your jack tight. That's a freaking... You don't want it to slip. You don't want that thing to slip.
Oh, we got something, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's good, whatever it is.
Camera's on. Don't let it go loose. Yeah, don't let that thing go loose. Oh. Turn the camera off.
Oh.
Something good?
Was. Go, guys. I missed the reeling him in, but Zach got him a nice little blue cat. Look at that sucker. He ate it.
Dude, look at all the bugs on the floor.
Oh my god.
I'm more intrigued about all the bugs on the fish, y'all. Look at all that. Holy, that's all those little white spots. Those are all bugs.
All the moss that have been giving us hell.
Whoa. Guess they don't live very long.
Oh, there's our fish. Good job, buddy. Woo, let me see that sucker. Hold him up, buddy.
Oi! Here we go.
Chitty chitty bang bang.
Here we go, y'all. We got a nice little blue cat. He's about a 7 or 8 pounder. Good fish, though.
No, man, that's... If we were eating in a better water.
We're definitely not skunking out.
All right. 2 kinds of gar and a catfish.
Yep.
Good old blue cat, boys and girls. Chitty chitty bang bang. We'll bring you back on the release. All right, man. Fish is going back in.
Here's a fun catch. There we go. I'm gonna turn my camera up for you. Oh, I think he's ready to go. I think it's a boy. Got a big mouth on it. Get your butt out of here, boy.
So guys, Zach done got him a nice gator gar. Not quite as big as that other one we had to get away, but I'll tell you what, at least we got this one all the way in, and he's a solid 50 pounder. We're gonna get him unhooked and hold him up and...
Oh, look at all that line. Oh, so we got a catfish and we got a... Dude, he might be 60 pounds just because they weigh heavy, look, I think.
Oh, they're so thick, man.
They are, man.
I gotta get another scale back on my kit.
Okay, everybody. Well, I'm gonna get him unhooked and we'll show him to you under the light.
All right, guys, we're on this cliff. Zach's bringing up the poles and the battery to pass up to me. And then we gotta climb up this thing and hike our way back to the vehicle. We put a lot of work into this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoy it. We had to do a lot of hiking, a lot of bushwhacking, put up with some bugs, some bad vegetation, just so y'all could be right here with me and Zach and enjoy it with us.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe if you if you enjoy what you see and want to see me choke out some more bugs.
Oh, I can't get it.
Come on, Zach, you can do it, buddy. Here. Oh, so close, my friend.
Oh, I'm falling.
Here, hook it on my foot. Hook the battery on my foot.
Should have been in sport mode.
I put him in sport mode.
There you go. Can you reach it?
Yeah, if you look, I got it. Got it.
Slide. Deeper than it looks.
I got the battery, guys. We're getting there.
That's the heaviest part.
Got it up top.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay. Battery is situated. Bucket situated. Getting Zach situated.
All right, I'm gonna go get my pole.
All right, buddy. Did it, guys. We're on the trail. We're hiking out this thing. Zach's leading the way. We got the poles, our battery, our bug, everything we came with.
What the freak was that?
Armadillo.
You call it?
Yeah, it's a baby armadillo. They're surprisingly fast.
Wow, the lighting in here sucks. Yeah, it does. Ooh, there we go. All right, everybody. Well, we caught some fish. My fish, you know, he swam right out of my feet at the last second. We still got him to the bank, though. I got all that on film, and we got a good catfish, and I had a guard just bite the damn hook. We reeled him in, too. Alec reeled in a couple guard. We had a good time.
Yes.
See y'all in the next one. Thank you.